Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I dyed my hair blue. I've dyed my hair multiple times in the past, so I was a little scared what was going to happen because I didn't want it to be super damaged or even fall off. But it turned out okay. It pretty much feels the same as before. And just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional at all. I'm pretty sure I did a lot of things wrong too. But I would suggest that if you want to dye your hair, to always go to a professional because they actually know what they're doing. But if you want to take the risk or if you're on a budget, then just keep on watching.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
So the first thing you can do is part your hair. I did the bottom layer first and kept the rest of my hair tied up. My bleach mixture was about a 1:2 ratio. I eyeballed it, but you just have to make sure it's a nice creamy consistency, not too liquidy and not too thick. Start by grabbing a small strip of hair and slathering the bleach on, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Run your fingers through your hair so that it creates a nice diffused blend because you don't want any harsh lines. Then I took a piece of the foil and wrapped each strand so that they would all be separated. And if you use your hands, make sure to wash them in between strands so that you don't accidentally get the bleach on other parts of your hair like I did. Make sure to get the bleach on both sides of each strand to really work it in and saturate it completely. Then just repeat this process again and again. Then I let down the next layer of my hair and did the exact same thing. You might have to mix up another batch of bleach if you have a small bowl like I do. And I just kept letting hair down, working my way up. Finally, the last strand. Bleach is very strong and it might make you cough and hurt your eyes.
20 minutes later.
Then I took off all the aluminum foil, washed it out completely and let it dry. Then I sectioned my hair and worked in 4 main sections. I put my gloves on and mixed my conditioner with the dye in equal portions to make it a little lighter and to have more dye. Then I slathered the dye starting at my ends, working my way up. I also put the dye on my brown hair so it can give a little bit of a tint and blend more. I used 1.5 bottles of dye for my whole head.
1 hour later.
Then I washed it all off until the water ran clear and styled it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video then give it a thumbs up, and if you like me then subscribe, and if you decide to try this at home just be super careful and hopefully your hair doesn't fall off.